Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Today I'm inspired by the sunrise, and if you want to know how I achieved this makeup look, then keep on watching. So I have already done a sunset makeup look, so now I want to do the sunrise makeup look. And the difference for me, I think sunrises are cooler in nature and then sunsets are warmer in nature. For me, that's how I see it. So I did warm colors for sunset and now I want to do cooler colors for the sunrise. And I will be using two eyeshadow palettes in 3 colors, but I don't think I will be using any eyeliner because it's the morning, it's foggy, it's groggy, it's blurred lines, it's nothing structured like I see in the evening. So for this makeup look, I will be using a big fluffy brush like this one. And I will be going in with the W7 Sherbet Pop eyeshadow palette in the shade Frozen, which is this blue right here. And what I want to do with this blue is put it in the crease and above and bring it just a little bit out here. The next color I want to be going in with is in a different eyeshadow palette. So this one is the Essence eyeshadow palette by Merve. And I want to go ahead and use this green right here, the light one. And I want to put that on my lid. So I think I will be using the same big fluffy brush and then just going in with my finger on top later. And then I will take a flat brush like this one and I will use the same green color and put it on the lower lash line. Now what I want to do is take my Essence Eye Blender brush like this one and just slightly blend underneath my eye. And then I want to go ahead and use gold. So I'm going with the Sherbet Pop by W7 and I'm using Sunny Days, which is this gold right here. And for this, I'm just going to be using my finger and I'm going to be focusing it in the center of my eyelid. Now I just want to go ahead and put on some mascara, and before I do that, I will be curling my lashes. And then I will be using my Maybelline the Colossal mascara that looks like this, and I will only be applying this on my upper lashes. And then I just want to brighten my inner corner a little bit, so I'm taking the NYX Strobe of Genius, and I'm taking the purple, which is this one right here, and I'm taking a really small detailed brush like this one. And the last thing I will be doing is putting on some setting spray, and I'm taking my Makeup Revolution Sport Fix that looks like this, and I'm spraying my face. And there you have it, my version of a sunrise makeup look, and it's very easy, it's very simple, and I love that the glitter is in the center of the eyeball or on the eyelid, because that's where it's protruding the most, at least for me, so that will be catching the light a lot, and it will look gorgeous and glittery and so soft and romantic if that's what you want. And so that is all I have for you today, and if you liked the video, leave a like and a comment down below, and if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. And with that, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!